School van drivers have ceased their work today to protest against the exorbitant monetary demands being served to them. The protest was held in 8 different places under the aegis of all Manipur School Students Transporters Association, in short AMSSTA. As a part of the protest, van drivers of 22 schools staged a sit-in near Porampat TV Tower in Imphal East District. Speaking on the sidelines, AMSSTA driver team controller Naurembam Megachandra asserted that several organizations are serving around 2,000 rupees from each school van driver despite the economic hardships faced by them due to COVID pandemic in the recent years and the ongoing crisis in the state. Stating that exorbitant demands coming from various organizations have compelled the school van drivers to stage the protest, he appealed to all concerned to understand the hardship faced by the drivers and cooperate with them. Megachandra also informed that the school van drivers will hold a meeting with AMSSTA tomorrow to take a unanimous decision. He further cautioned that they may take on several forms of agitations, including shutting their service if an agreement cannot be reached between the association and the organizations making monetary.
Crisis Maraxida, of school run to resist a Yamakai, Diver among the Nanta demand like Pulapna Union, the Lacona, Diver among the Union of Comzelaga. Why the Sinabu Ivanado, she's a point to win wide the non association for the Pankos. Among the Gizu organization, Mamma, why the Gismite of Nadum, High Gradu, why Union Gisite again, observe why the Pirini, do Antalizina, why tongue hard or vitare, why diversity, which you put is a goman, try to get on to Ivany, when Ang Tong Apple in Yamasai Makata, Ang Tong as a lack of Shaduna, Garigi maintenance, Lois at Kramatunda, Emily to Zupu, Guinaiwan, the Pian Diverna. When you put a Pian Torre, he is in diversity in Panis West. Gari lisingwari mulai, hari ba gari lisingwari mungse koi round, koi family satla ye ngor jo, asu sapaba family koi ramoy, hai ba pham jine koi na si matang da koi dagi bisa lo biganu hai ba pham je, koi dagi mateng pangbiu, koi dagi mateng nibirakanu hai ba pham je koi pham je.